reducing operating costs while giving the environment a helping hand. It's that win-win combination that has made Bandag the world leader in truck tire retreading technology. Founded in 1957, Bandag has continued to grow as truckers found that by recycling their tires, they can save substantial amount of money on one of the largest items in their operating budget and equip their trucks with tires that deliver dependable performance. Retreaded truck tires have been a part of a continuous improvement process over the past 5 decades. With the introduction of several new pieces of equipment used in the retread process, casing inspection technology, tire appearance, and consistency of product have all seen dramatic improvement. As a result, retreads have become the replacement tire of choice for fleet managers who want to be successful in a very competitive industry. Today, with sales and service locations across the Middle East and Africa, plus global coverage, Bandag provides truckers with the most dependable and cost-effective replacement tires in the world. The Bandag process plays a key role in providing the kind of reliability that is needed for a modern logistics system with guaranteed delivery times. Trucking companies operating in a highly competitive market need dependable tire products and services. As we view the production process, it stands to reason why retread performance can match and exceed new tire performance, and why retreaders offer truckers warranties that are matching or even better than new tire warranties. Retreading starts with an initial visual inspection performed by trained tire specialists. Knowledgeable tire experts note and mark all injuries and decide if the casing is good enough to be retreaded. You must have a sound casing for retread dependability. Once a casing passes this initial inspection, nail holes are fixed and all major injuries are marked and will be repaired at a later stage. The second inspection process is now performed on an EB NHD4 machine. The EB NHD4 uses electrical impulses to detect nails, nail holes, tears, cuts, and bead repairs not always visible to the naked eye. If at any time in the entire process the tire casing cannot be repaired and returned to safe service, it is rejected and taken out of the production line. Because we are serious about only having the safest possible tires on the road, a third inspection is performed on the casing on the 7450 Insight Casing Analyzer. The 7450 uses chirographic inspection technology to detect flaws in all parts of the casing. The accuracy of the chirography is achieved with laser technology that optically dissects the casing while the camera captures the images at varying vacuum pressures applied to the casing. The vacuum pressures provide stresses to the separated layers, forming a gap that is displayed through video, exposing the casing anomalies in the form of interference wave pattern. After a casing passes all of these rigorous inspection processes, it is ready to be inflated to normal running size so that the remaining worn tread can be removed on a precision buffer. The evolution of the buffing process to become an automated process delivers a much higher level of consistency and virtually removes most possibilities of human error. Another Bandag advantage is the repair system, with the technology to repair larger injuries using rubber compounds designed to specifically work with the Bandag process. In this way, repairs bond and become a permanent part of the casing for long, dependable performance. The Bandag repair system can repair deep damage, crown injury, shoulder and sidewall punctures, and sidewall splits. The next step in the retread process is one of the most critical, which involves applying the new tread to the casing. A thin layer of cushion gum is bonded to the tread to be placed on the buffed and cemented casing. The cushion gum is uncured rubber. Once that rubber is cured in the curing chamber, it forms an unbreakable bond between the casing and the new tread applied to the casing. The Bandag Builder automatically measures and applies the tread rubber. The new 9110E Builder can actually match the splice of even the most aggressive tread designs, enhancing the appearance of the finished product. After the tire has been built, it is encased in a flexible rubber envelope, which conforms to the shape of the tread and casing. This envelope causes uniform pressure to be applied against all tire surfaces. Bandag uses DPC, Differential Pressure Cure System, at temperatures of only 99 degrees centigrade. Tire casings can be retreated a number of times because they are not subjected to extremely high heat in the curing chamber. The finished product then receives a final inspection. Quality, craftsmanship, and appearance are all factors considered by a skilled operator. The Bandag process is used in building all application-specific tires sold at Bandag's sales and service locations. Application-specific products are designed with the end user's needs in mind and are totally customer-focused. Before any mold is made or drawing initiated, Bandag consults with the best fleets in a given application to determine the features and benefits that will add the most value to the product. To ensure the performance targets are met, each new application-specific product is tested against the best-in-class new and retread tires. Application-specific products are not made commercially available until they can meet or exceed the performance of the best-in-class competition. The application-specific development process, combined with the Bandag retread process, assures truckers and fleets that their local Bandag dealer can provide them with the best possible return on their tire investment.